Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a little girl named Lila who loved flowers more than anything else. She had a beautiful garden where she spent all her time planting, watering, and talking to her flowers. One sunny day, while Lila was watering her garden, she saw something sparkle at the edge of the forest. Curious, she walked towards the light and found the most extraordinary flower she had ever seen. It was glowing with all the colors of the rainbow. Overwhelmed with excitement, Lila picked the flower and brought it back to her garden. As soon as she planted it in the ground, something magical happened. The garden began to glow, and all the flowers started to grow taller and bloom with brighter colors. Suddenly, a tiny fairy appeared among the flowers. "Thank you for finding the rainbow flower, Lila," the fairy said with a twinkle in her eye. "This flower has magical powers that can bring life and color to any garden it touches. But remember, its magic comes from the love and care you give to your garden." Lila promised to take even better care of her garden and the magical rainbow flower. She spent every day talking to her flowers, watering them, and giving them all the love her heart could hold. And so, Lila's garden became the most beautiful garden in the land, full of the brightest, most colorful flowers anyone had ever seen. People came from far and wide to see Lila's magical garden, and it brought joy and happiness to everyone who visited. Lila knew that the real magic came from the love and care she gave to her garden, and she never forgot the fairy's words.